What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the apps crashing issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting the phone, the apps crashing issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then the next solution is open and close the app 2 to 3 times. So for example, if the Files app is not working properly, then open the app, go to recents and close it. So do it 2 to 3 times. And after that the app will start working properly. Now after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is try updating the app. So open Play Store, tap on your profile icon and then tap on manage apps and devices and then tap on updates available option. Now if the Messenger app is not working properly, then update the Messenger app, and after updating the Messenger app, the Messenger will start working properly. But after updating, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is try updating the phone's software. So for that, open settings, scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates and then tap on software update. Now from here, check if your phone's software is updated to the latest version or not. So if it's not updated, then update it to the latest version, and after updating, the app's crashing issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the app's crashing issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.